In this video, I want to share with you how the quickest way that I've converted 5 GB, more than 5 GB of a video into just less than 500 megabytes. So you can see the percentage reduction and without affecting the quality at all, either the video or the audio quality. So to do that, you need a very simple software, which is an open source video transcoder called the Handbrake. Okay, so all you need to do is come to this website, handbrake.fr. You can see it, download it over here. Just download and install it. It's free and it's fun and it's very easy to install. With just one procedure, you are done. So you can navigate to that folder. Let me show you the folder and let me show you how I converted it. Okay, so the folder that I wanted to convert is its PowerPoint full course. You can check the size. It's more than 5 GB, about 5.3 GB. You can see the length, the size of it, 5.3 GB. Now let's try it with Handbrake and you will be amazed by what you see. Just come to your start menu and just search Handbrake. You can see it over here and you just click on Handbrake and it just opens. You can drag and drop the video file over here. You can open bunch of files if you want. You can open all of them from here, or you can just come over and say open a file and you navigate to straight away to where you have that particular file. Now in case I have it here, so you just click and you open it. Alright, so once you have it here, don't touch anything, don't play around with anything. All you need to do is just to come to the video over here, just video, and you come to increase quality icon. Okay, right now it's set to 23. Once you move forward, you are increasing the quality, and once you move backward, you are lowering the quality with this numbering. But this change is not going to affect the audio or the video quality at all. So just move this to 26. That is the optimum value I got, 26. Once you go to 26, you just define the path that you want this to go on. Where do you want to save it? I just want to save it in the same location where I've taken it. So this is going to be the converted version. It's going to be here. So once you specify location, you can just start encoding. Once you click on start encoding, it is just going to encode. And let me show you. Click to start encoding and it will just start the encoding. You can pause it, you can stop the encoding at any given point if you want. So right now it has finished the encoding, so let me show you the finishing point. This is the starting point, 5.35 gig, and this is the finishing point. You can see 417 megabytes. How superb and how fast. But let me play both videos for you.
Have you ever heard of the phrase death by PowerPoint? It's a common way to signify how your audience are connecting with you.
Let me play you the initial one.
Have you ever heard of the phrase death by PowerPoint?
No difference at all in terms of the video or the audio quality. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.